Are you a person who is trying to prove yourself in your family, society, at your workplace? On the process, you have to face a lot of challenges like humiliation, rejection, and you usually get insulted by your friends and colleagues. My dear friends, if you are someone who is struggling, who is in this kind of situation, then I have the best possible solution for you. You need to answer to a simple and practical question. But before I ask you the simple question, I want you to realize about yourself. Are you not qualified? You are qualified. You have knowledge and wisdom. Are you not skillful? You are skillful. You are talented. You have the skills. Are you not surrounded by toolset? Yes, of course. You are surrounded by technology, toolset. But what is the reason? Why can't you prove yourself? What is the thing which is holding you back? My dear friends, it is not so important what you say, but it is very, very important how do you say? How do you represent yourself? The knowledge that you have, the skills that you have, the tool set that you have been using. You have to have the better communication skills in order to express yourself, represent yourself, so that you will be able to prove yourself. Yes, my dear friends, you need to work on your mindset, skill set, and tool set. That's the reason ODCH, Odisha Digital Coaches Hub, brings you a 5-day workshop where we will be talking to you about 5 different concepts. On day 1, you'll be learning about what is MST and the importance of mindset. On day 2, you'll be given exclusive information about the differences between communication skills and the fluency. Along with that, how your personality, enhance or helps your communication skills. Likewise, day 3, day 4, you'll be learning about how to master, how to improve your pronunciation, sentence construction. On day 5, you'll be given some valuable tips about how to master your public speaking. My dear friends, it starts on Monday, it goes on to Friday. Every day you have 1 hour of session in the morning, 1 hour session in the evening. If you're really interested, excited, and if you want to prove yourself, then this workshop is only for you. Join us for the 5-day workshop and get all the benefit which is required for you. My dear friends, it starts on 22nd of this month. Okay, so morning batch, evening batch. So it depends on your availability. So if you want to be a part of this 5-day workshop, then click on the link which is given in the description, okay, and be the part of this wonderful, amazing 5-day workshop. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm really excited to see you live there. Bye-bye. Take care.